Hello, everyone. Welcome to the third edition of BW Momentum Conference. We have with us Ms. Preeti Kandikar, Global Marketing and Communication Head, Magic Bus India Foundation. Thank you, Preeti, firstly, for joining us. Firstly, I would actually want to understand that as connected TV and traditional television are increasingly converging, do you think that there will be a future of video advertising altogether becoming agnostic, or do you still think that marketers are planning for two distinct channels for this?
I think the strategy has to completely change altogether. There should be more outside in approach. The marketeers should absolutely understand what the consumer really wants. It really doesn't matter if it's video, static, on TV, otherwise. What really matters is what are you trying to communicate, and how are you trying to communicate, and who are you trying to communicate. I think customizing communication, customizing brand messaging to meet the need of the consumers as well as the brand objective is going to be the bedrock of all marketing activities coming forward.
Perfect. So, as you know, even in the session, you were talking about empathy. Now, with AI making data analysis faster and more accessible, where does human insight become more important rather than less important today?
I think this is a very, very prudent question. Thank you for asking. Like you all know, I head marketing and communication at Magic Bus India Foundation. Magic Bus is India's leading NGO working in 23 states, empowering 50 lakh young people across 23 states, like I mentioned. Um, Empathy is at the core of human behavior. Life skills are absolutely important, and in the world of AI, where everything, not just data analytics, everything
Is automated.
is at the click of a prompt or a something that is very very coming to the generation very easily. I would only say that please don't stop thinking, please don't stop being human in the world of ever changing skills. There's so many skills that are coming going. Today we will learn something, tomorrow it will be absolutely
Something else,
absolutely
actually.
relevant for tomorrow's day. Most important skill that you'll only be left with is life skills. So please keep up the the human side of you, absolutely engaged, challenged, do different things, do difficult things, stay connected to the real world and the real problems of our country, and stay invested in solving them. That's all I would like to say.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Preeti. Thank you for joining us. Thank
Thanks,
you.
thanks a lot.